Teacher Anna assigns the class a specific topic to research and present the following day. However, the students are unable to find any information about it. What method should Teacher Anna employ to teach the assignment? A. Project method. B. Discovery method. C. Lecture method. Or letter D. Demonstration method. And the correct answer for this item is letter C. Lecture method. Bakit po lecture method? Sa lecture method po kasi, information is conveyed primarily through spoken presentation by the instructor. Ito po pala yung typical na nagle-lecture si teacher o nagsasalita sa harap ng klase. At ginagamit po ito kapag hindi sapat or kulang ang mga impormasyon sa paksang tinatalakay. Usually, ito po yung mga highly technical topics na mababasa o makikita lamang sa mga reference books or even sa mga paid journal. Demonstration method naman po involves visual or practical exhibition of concepts with the instructor or students. Ginagamit po ito kapag kulang ang materials. Halimbawa, meron po tayong science experiment, pero iisa lang ang microscope or kulang ng chemicals. Pwede pa rin pagpatuloy ang experiment, pero si teacher na ang gagawa or pipili siya ng isang mag-aaral na gagawa ng experiment at ipapakita ito sa klase. Again, demonstration method, kulang ng material. Pero pag lecture method, kulang ang information. Project method naman po, ito po yung typical na may pa-project, may output, product, or even activity. Sa pamamagitan po nito, masusukat natin kung naa-apply ba o nagagamit ba ng mga mag-aaral ang kanyang natutuhan sa klase. And the last one, discovery method. Student-led exploration and self-discovery. So inaalaw ni teacher ang mga mag-aaral na mag-explore o kaya na may gumagsagawa ng independent activity. But for this item po, unable to find any information about a certain topic, lecture method po ang tamang sagot. And now, it's your turn to answer.